Thomas and Ethan lived in a cozy house. Ethan, his son, became quiet and reserved. Thomas planned a camping trip to reconnect. They packed their bags and set off. Hiking through the wilderness, Ethan's eyes sparkled. They set up camp by a sparkling river. By the campfire, they shared stories and laughs. Thomas asked Ethan about his troubles. Ethan opened up, pouring out his heart. In father's embrace, the bond was strengthened. They packed up and started their journey home. Hand in hand, sun shining, stronger than ever.